Hey everybody, I'm Dominique.
I'm Diamond.
And we are the Edward Sisters Property Group. Thanks so much for joining us. It's Tuesday, March 19th, and that means it's Hot Topic Tuesdays. So today's Hot Topic is going to be our third video in our March Homebuyer series. The question is, how do I repair my credit?
So you want to be a homeowner. You know all the costs, you've been saving for a while, but you realize that you haven't been taking the best care of your credit. Now, credit is super important when applying for a mortgage. It will affect whether you're able to qualify for a loan or not, and it'll also make a huge impact on what your mortgage rates will be.
So literally, the thing that could be standing between you and your next home could be your credit. So we're gonna talk about that today. So for today's video, we are doing something a little bit different. We turned to an expert for some advice. So our preferred mortgage partner over at Movement Mortgage, William Calzadilla, he gave us some great advice. He gave us 7 great credit repair tips for getting ready for a mortgage. So Diamond is gonna give you number 1.
Do your research. Now you need to have full knowledge of your current financial situation. So make sure you talk to a financial professional about your credit issues and qualifying limitations. A seasoned loan officer like Will can be your best ally in your credit repair journey.
So number 2, know your FICO score. Now this number is what creditors are going to use to determine your interest rates and to show how likely you are to repay your loan. It's your trustworthiness. So a higher FICO score means faster loan approval with better interest rates. So you pay less for your home and you get into it faster.
Awesome. Tip number 3, check your credit. Now you'll need a copy of your full credit reports from all 3 credit bureaus. That's Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So while you review that, make note of how much you owe in total, areas where you could improve, and any inaccuracies.
And number 4 is dispute those inaccuracies. Now creditors do make mistakes at times. They might add a debt or a negative item to your credit report by mistake. It's not supposed to be there. Obviously, this is going to negatively affect your score. So contact the credit bureau immediately and explain the discrepancy. They're gonna research it and they'll make the needed changes and adjustments to your report that are needed. This might take a little while, so the sooner that you go ahead and initiate those disputes, the better.
Yes. Tip number 5, lower your DTI. Now DTI means debt to income ratio. And this is the difference between your overall debt compared to your income. So the lower your DTI, the better chances of getting a good mortgage rate. For example, if you have lots of credit card payments, various loans, and other expenses that total more than 1/3 of your income, this is viewed as a big risk to mortgage companies.
So if you look like a gamble, they will hit you with higher interest rates on your mortgage. So pay down some of those debts to eliminate them altogether, and that way you're gonna bring your DTI down lower.
Yes.
So now number 6, no new debt. Please avoid opening any new lines of credit during your loan process, as this will increase your DTI. So that means no furniture shopping, no redecorating, and do not buy a new car until after you've closed on your house, or you can pay for those things in cash.
Exactly. Tip number 7, pay on time every time. We cannot stress this enough. Now, if you've gotten in the habit of paying your bills late, get out of it right now. Cut it out, stop. Late payments result in extra fees, which, you need that money for your house, and they do negatively affect your FICO score. So why would a bank trust you with their loan if they can't trust that you'll pay for anything on time? So pay your bills.
So don't be discouraged if your credit is less than perfect. We have an amazing team over at Movement Mortgage who can help you get on the right track and into the home of your dreams.
Yes.
If you'd like to see if you can qualify for a loan, reach out to our partner over at Movement Mortgage, William Calzadilla. As he likes to say, where there's a will, there's a way. So he will get you into the home of your dreams, and so will we. Have a great Tuesday, everybody. Tune in next week for more home buying tips.
Yes.
Bye.